Now that we have our virtual machine ready, so let's go to the Ubuntu page and download the latest version of Ubuntu. So I went to ubuntu.com and into downloads, and over here on Ubuntu desktop, you'll see that the latest version, stable version, is 16.04.3. So we're going to go ahead and download that. This should download an ISO file onto your computer. Once the ISO file is ready, I'm going to go back to VirtualBox, right click on our virtual machine, and say Show in Explorer. This should take us to the directory where the virtual machine is stored. Next, I'm going to copy the Ubuntu ISO file into the folder. Once your ISO file is in the folder, go back to VirtualBox. Right-click on your virtual machine and select Settings. Under Storage, go to Controller IDE, and you can see that your optical disk drive is currently empty. Let's go ahead and load the ISO file that we just downloaded. I navigated to where my virtual machine is, which is e-users VirtualBox and stlearn. Now you can see the Ubuntu ISO file has been loaded into our controller IDE. And under controller SATA, you see that the stlearn VDI image, which is the virtual disk image that we created in the last video, is here as well. So go ahead and click OK. Next, select the virtual machine and hit Start. You should now get an install screen, which lets you select your language, and also if you want to try Ubuntu or install Ubuntu. Go ahead and select English and install Ubuntu. I'm going to check download updates while installing Ubuntu, and also going to check install third-party software. Under this, I'm going to select this computer currently has no detected operating systems. What would you like to do? I want to erase the disk and install Ubuntu. Click on Install Now. Go ahead and hit Continue. You can enter your name here or just a generic name. I'm going to make the password the same as the username. Once the installation is complete, go ahead and hit Restart Now. It says please remove the installation medium, then press Enter. So what we could do is we could go back to our virtual machine, go to Settings, and under Storage you'll see that the ISO file that we loaded is automatically been removed after installation. So we don't really need to do anything. Just hit OK, minimize this, come back here and just hit Enter. So now we have a working Ubuntu desktop that we're going to be using for the rest of our course.